this video I will show you how to print your Balm labels on onlinelabels.com. So once you are done with editing your label, go to download and download a JPG type of file. Click here on show bleed and download it. Okay, it is downloading now. Then go to onlinelabels.com and click here design and templates and start designing. You should sign in to their website to Master Label Designer, but I will now skip that part and just show you how to upload your image. So click here on find blank labels, and here you will type OL1102 02 because this is the labels we need. These are the labels we need. So go to images here, upload new image, upload your JPG file that you downloaded from Cordial. Simply click and drag it here. We need just to rotate it for 90 degrees. Okay, and that's it. So you have two tabs here. You can either order your labels from onlinelabels.com, or if you have their labels at home and you want to print them at home, just go here to print labels and print now. I'm using the trial mode, so I will have watermarks when downloading, but when you sign in you won't have their watermarks. So download their PDF and here it is. So you will use this PDF when you print your lip balm labels at home. I hope this helped. Thanks for watching.